This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So, before we come to practice, can you share your experiences in the corporate world? What were the kind of industries that you worked in and the challenges there, or your experience basically?
Okay, lovely. First and foremost, I would always let students know that you should never behave like the three monkeys, the Gandhiji's three monkeys. Don't be dumb, don't be deaf, don't be blind. Then you are not going to be a successful company secretary, which means please speak, please write. These are the ways where your talents actually come out. Okay. Now, what has it what has that got to do with corporate? See, as a profession, company secretaries cannot be an introvert. Now, what's an introvert? A person who is shy, who cannot speak, who cannot, all this will not help. You need to be an extrovert. You need to speak. You need to be open. You need to be, you expressive. Otherwise, it's very difficult. In fact, I'll tell you, I want to share a story of my good friend Abhi here. In fact, it's a very interesting story. I think it's an inspiration for most students. I'll tell you. So when Abhishek was with me, he was working for a short stint of about 2 years, and that's when one of the opportunities came his way where in one seminar that I was doing, Abhishek went and spoke. I mean, I just said, "Why, Abhi, give it a shot. Go and speak." So that was Abhi's first, I would say, the test for a public speaking. So I said, "Don't worry, I'm there." And trust me, Abhi went and spoke on some topic. And in that forum, there was somebody from the Big Four who was watching Abhi. And evening, that person whom I know calls me and says, "Can I take Abhi?" So look at this. I mean, opportunities, friends, you should understand. So, a simple forum like this can create an amazing opportunity for you. So, that's where I advocate this, which I have been doing. So, in corporate also, please understand, I have been a very outgoing person. It is not like I used to keep quiet. I used to be very innovative. I used to try and do things which were out of the world, whether it's an AGM, whether it's a board meeting. In fact, I mean, of course, Alok, with this 30 minutes, I can't tell you what all I've done. I just love, I used to talk about this in MSOP once upon a time. Of course, off late, I've not been doing, where I used to share my experiences. You won't believe. The board meeting papers which used to get printed were of the quality that a board member would pick up the paper and say, "Hey, where did you source?" That from that level to what goes inside the board meeting papers is what you can express. So to let you know in a nutshell what corporate life is, it's an amazing game of politics. It's an amazing game of getting recognized. Be an extrovert, go and express, and always do things that are classy when it comes to a corporate. That's very, very important. And you will get the recognition that you are due for in a